So I tried using only the Apple Watch SE 3 for an entire week, no phone, and by the end of it, I had a very clear answer. The idea sounds really simple. Calls, notifications, basic stuff. In theory, this should be enough for most of the day, right? The first couple of days, honestly, not too bad. Basic things like checking notifications, quick interactions, it works. By day 3 though, that's when it really started to feel different. Everything just takes so much longer on a watch. Replying, navigating, doing anything beyond quick actions. It's not that it can do these things, it's just very inefficient. You're doing everything on this tiny screen and that friction adds up throughout the day. By day 5 and 6, the biggest issue became the battery because now you're relying on it fully and it just only lasts about a day. And this is where it really started to annoy me. By evening, I had to charge it. And during that time, I don't have my phone and now I don't have my watch either. And after a week, it became really clear. This is not a phone replacement. It's just a companion device. So can the Apple Watch SE 3 replace your phone for a week? Technically, yes, you can make it work, but realistically, it's just not practical. And that's what actually matters.